Assalamu alaikum students. We shall start the next part of the lesson. For a week or two, Jo's behavior quite puzzled her sister. Puzzle mean to disturb. उसका जो behavior था, that was disturbing her sister. She rushed to the door when the postman knocked, and altogether was very strange. Whenever the postman came, she rushed to the door, and her behavior was very strange. But one afternoon she came into the room where Meg sat sewing with Amy and Beth. Sewing means सिलाई करना, stitching करना. She had a paper in her hand and seating herself began to read. Have you anything interesting there? asked Meg. Meg ने पूछा क्या उस पेपर में कोई दिलचस्पी की बात है? And Joe said, nothing but a story, said Joe. You had better read it to us, said Amy. Amy ने कहा कि बेहतर है तुम हमें पढ़ के सुनाओ. What is the name of the story? asked Beth. The Rival Painters. जो ने जवाब दिया, the name of the story is The Rival Painters. That sounds well. Read it, said Meg. With a loud hem, Joe began to read very fast. The girl listened with interest, for the tale was exciting and sad. Tale means story. Most of the people in it died before the end. Who wrote it? asked Beth, and who had seen a strange look on Joe's face. उसने जोस के चेहरे पर अजीबो गरीब एक्सप्रेशन देखे तो she asked, who wrote it? किसने लिखी है? The reader suddenly threw away the paper, और जो ने जो रीडिंग कर रही थी उसने अखबार वहीं फेंका. And looking very solemn replied in a loud voice, your sister. Looking very solemn यानी कि she was looking very serious. Solemn means serious. You, cried Meg, dropping her walk. Meg ने अपना काम वहीं छोड़ते हुए कहा. You, cried Meg. उसने कहा you, तुमने स्टोरी लिखी है. It is very good, said Amy. I knew it. Oh my Joe, I'm so proud. And Beth ran to kiss her sister. और उन्हें इतना खुशी हुई कि बैथ ने और उन्होंने बहुत ही ज़्यादा उसको एडमायर किया. How delighted they all were. Delighted, they were very happy and pleased. Meg wouldn't believe it till she saw the word Miss Josephine March actually printed in the paper. मैग शायद यकीन ना करती अगर उसने वहाँ पर अपनी सिस्टर का नाम ना पढ़ा होता. Hannah exclaimed when told the news, well, I never fancy Miss Joe doing it. And how proud Mrs. March was when she was told about it. Tell us all about it. When did it come? How much did you get for it? What will father say? Cried the family all together. Stop, all of you. I'll tell you everything, which Joe did at once and ended by saying, I am so happy, for in time I may be able to earn my own living and help you others. She, to be independent and earn the praise of those she loved, were the dearest wishes of Joe's heart, and this small success seemed to be the first step towards that happy end. This is all about the reading. Now, next is the vocabulary learning. Here in one column, words and phrases are given. In the second column, meanings are given. In the third one, sentences are given. First word is rushed, quickly, to move quickly. And the sentence says, he rushed to see the stranger. He rushed to see the stranger. Next is tale. Tale means story. I have heard this tale. I have heard this tale. Third word is solemn. It means serious. He was a solemn looking man. Delighted, very happy. She was delighted to know about her success. She was delighted to know about her success. Next is the comprehension. Answer the question. In what season of the year did the part of the story take place? In what season of the year this part of the story take place? This answer is this part of the story took place in autumn season. This part of the story took place in autumn season. Its next question is she signed her name firmly. What does this tell us about Jo? This tells us that Jo was very happy to have done her best. This also shows that she was confident that her stories would be published in the newspaper. Now question number 3 is, after checking through the story, she sat looking at it silently. Why? What do you imagine she was thinking? Perhaps she was thinking how she would become independent by earning for herself and the family by becoming a writer if her stories were published. Perhaps she was thinking how she would become independent by earning for herself and the family by becoming a writer if her stories were published. Question number 4. How many times did Jo reach the foot of the stair? How many times did Jo reach the foot of the stair? Jo reached the foot of the stairs 3 times. Jo reached the foot of the stairs 3 times. Question number 5. Why did she not go up the stair the first time? She did not go up the stair the first time to see the dirty stair. She did not go up the stair the first time to see the dirty stair. Question number 6. Where did Laurie think that Jo had gone? Where did Laurie think that Jo had gone? Laurie thought that Jo had gone to a dentist. He thought that Jo had gone to a dentist. Why did he think this? Why did he think this? There are two reasons. The one reason was that there was a sign of a dentist in the same building. The second reason was that Jo seemed like a person who had passed through a hard time. She seemed like a person who had passed through a hard time. Question number 8. Why do you think Jo was not pleased to see Laurie? Jo was not pleased to see Laurie because she did not want Laurie to know about her stories as she had kept it a secret. Jo was not pleased to see Laurie because she did not want Laurie to know about her stories as she had kept it a secret. Next question number 9. When Jo said that there were two she wanted to have out, what did she mean and what did Laurie think she meant? Jo talked about her 2 stories that she wanted to be published in a newspaper, while Laurie took it for 2 teeth that she wanted to be removed by the dentist. He took 2 stories for 2 teeth that she wanted to be removed by the dentist. Question number 10. What sort of person Jo was? What sort of person Jo was? Jo was creative and she wrote stories to become a writer. She was sympathetic and wanted to help the family by becoming a writer. She was sympathetic and wanted to help the family by becoming a writer. Another part of her personality was that she liked to keep the things secret. She liked to keep the things secret. This is all about the today's lesson.